What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're a returner, thanks for coming back. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and get these to the pressure that you want to get them at. That way all you have to do, screw them in, pop the tab, and they'll go down to the pressure that you want. It's a super simple procedure, and it's going to make your life getting ready for the trails so much easier. In the Midwest it gets cold, much needed. To get it down to the pressure that I want to get it down to, I'm going to use this ARB. This is what I use to begin with, but you'd have to go around to each tire individually and hold it until it got done. You know, in Midwest we wheel in pretty cold conditions, so went with these JT Brooks automatic deflators. I've really liked them, but when I originally set them up, I didn't set them up at a low enough PSI. So today I'm going to show you how to set it up. We're going to take it down to about 10 PSI. I'm going to use this to get my initial air pressure. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set all four of the automatic deflators off this one tire. I'm going to take it down to 10 PSI, and then I'll plug in each deflator and run it off of that. Alright, so remove the lock nut, run the threads in until I'd say roughly get to the flat spot. Then I screw it on. Right? Okay, so now I'm screwed in, there's no air moving. Then we loosen this up. So it opens, and then until it shuts. Don't know if you can hear that or not. Run this out. Opens. Run it back in until it snaps. Just like that. That's it. This one's set. Remove it off. Put your lock nut back on. Careful not to change your setting or change the depth of that. And that one's done. Then all you'd have to do is repeat the process a couple more times. It's really simple to do, and when you get out to the trail or to the parking lot when you're getting ready to wheel, you walk around, you screw these in, all four tires, and then you can disconnect your sway bar links, or you get back in the Jeep and warm up. I'll put a link to them down below so you can find the set for yourself. It's a pretty simple procedure. Now, don't forget, you gotta air your tire back up. That's it for this video. If you like what you've seen or you learned anything today, which I hope you did because that was the whole point of the video, like and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up too, I would really appreciate it. It tells them that I'm making decent videos, and I appreciate all your support.